Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look that you see right here. I am absolutely in love with the gorgeous jewelry that I'm wearing, and I had to do a look that complements it. So here is a reception look for an Indian bride, and this is the before of the video, like before the makeup part obviously, and let's quickly get started with the makeup part. So I'm going to use this Kryolan Gold Primer. I absolutely love this. It's a must have. Like, it's such a luxurious primer, especially for a dry skin. I'm just going to apply this all over my skin, all over my face, and I'm just going to press this in really nicely. And for the color correcting bit, instead of an orange corrector, I'm using this L'Oreal concealer. It's a tad bit darker. And I'm just using the Vichy sponge, and I'm just going to dab it under my eye area, a little bit on the eyelid as well. And I'm mixing these two foundations, the Estee Lauder and the Guerlain Lingerie Depot. I think that's the name of the foundation. So I'm just going to mix both of these foundations, and I'm going to get a beautiful finish on the skin. You'll just see in a minute. I absolutely love both these foundations, and I'm again just going to spread the foundation on my face first, and then I'm going to use a sponge, and later now I'm just using the PAC Spotlight Concealer to brighten up the under eye area. And this is like a full coverage concealer, currently my absolute favorite one. And for a bridal makeup, I think it's just amazing. It's going to give a very flawless full coverage effect. Again, I'm just taking the Vichy sponge, and I'm going to make sure I'm going to blend it nicely into the skin. I'm just pressing it into the skin, but I'm not using a lot of pressure. And once that is done, we're going to move on to a little bit of contouring. As you can see, the contouring also is not very heavy. The color is not very dark. I'm using a Kryolan Supra concealer foundation, sorry, and I'm just going to very lightly just blend this also. And yeah, I purposely chose a lighter color for the contour. I don't want it to be very heavy, and it's like a modern bridal look, so I'm trying to do things a little bit differently. I'm using the Fit Me powder. I absolutely love this powder, and I'm going to set my face with this, sharpen that contour just a little bit, and I'm just going to dust off any excess powder. I have dry skin, so I try not to use powder, and whatever I do also, I tend to not use it for a whole lot of time. And I'm just using the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer to just set the contour that I did, and I'm not going for a very harsh contoured look. I'm using the MAC blush. This one is in Melba, and now I'm using the MAC Gleaming Blush Mineralized Skin Finish. I think this one is. I'm just using my fingers because I want the look to be very well blended in, and I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face, and then I'm going to move on quickly to eyebrow. I will make a dedicated video for eyebrows. And once that is done, I'm just going to clean up under the eyebrows and start with the eye makeup. I'm really sorry, a little bit of the portion of the eye makeup is missing, the eyeliner application and the glitter application. Yeah, so now I'm just going to take a very light peach color of the transition, and just for the crease I'm using a light taupe color, because for most part I'm using a gray color, this one from the NYX palette. So I'm going to make sure the transitions were very subtle. Now I'm just going to take my time, get the shape going. It's going to be a spotlight eye, and I'm slowly adding the depth, and I'm blending it as I go, and I'm going back again to darken up the color. There's a lot of back and forth with this particular look. As you can see, I've intensified the color a little bit more again, and for the center part of the lid I'm using this light color, and over this I just placed a white glitter, and then I just applied my eyeliner. That's basically what I did, and I applied black kajal on the lower lash line and smudged it with the gray eyeshadow. Now I'm just applying some mascara on top and bottom lashes. I'm really sorry for the missing footage, but just that clip was missing, and I did not want to not share this video with all of you. Now I'm just applying some false eyelashes, and again I'm using the same highlighter for the inner corner and eyebrow highlight. And once that is done, we can move on to the lips. So for the lips I'm using a MAC Dance With Me lipstick. Absolutely love this color. It's a gorgeous pink red kind of a color. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. I'm conducting online makeup classes, the details for which are down below. See you, and thank you so much for watching.